Why buy DJI OM4 SE Smartphone Gimbal? What is smartphone's compatibility? 3-axis stabilization with the tripod grip. Hitchcock effect to get a creative zoom shot. The magnetic phone clamp is perfect for filming. Do you get weary of capturing images with your smartphone in your hand? Do you require a fashionable stand to hold it? The DJI OM4 SE Smartphone Gimbal is available now. Device features: magnetic quick mount, foldable and portable, active track 3.0, quick roll, gesture control, story mode story. The box consists of storage pouch, wrist strap, manuals, grip tripod, power cable, create magnetic moments, magnetic quick mount, magnetic phone clamp 2, DJI OM4. Gimbal charging port, USB-C. External device charging port, USB-A. Buttons on device: joystick, shutter record button, power button, zoom slider, attach tripod stand to gimbal, iOS 10.0 or above, as well as Android 7.0 or higher, are required for the DJI Gimbal app. Connect your smartphone to the DJI OM4 in seconds, making it ideal for on-the-go recording. You will never again post a shaky video. Feel the power of the DJI OM magnetic phone clamp 2, which makes it simple to capture ideas at any time. The DJI OM4's powerful 3-axis motor keeps your smartphone steady and your film smooth. So, how long are you going to be waiting? Now is the time to get the DJI OM4 SE Smartphone Gimbal.